Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use ChatGPT. So let's start. This is my ChatGPT and here you can see I already logged in Google Chrome. So go to the left hand side and here you can see there are some options available. The first is the new chart. To open the new chart, you just simply click on the new charts option. And second is the search chart. You can easily find old charts. Just click on it and enter here the keywords and you will find here your old charts details. Okay. And just close it. And the third option is library. In library, you can generate the image, diagram, and visual. Just enter the prompts here related to the image and you can easily generate your image. Yep. Okay. If you add the photos and file, just click on the plus sign and here the two option you can add the photos and file. The first one, add from apps. There are three options: connect the Google Drive. Second, connect the Microsoft OneDrive. Third, connect the Microsoft OneDrive, including the SharePoint. Okay. And here, second option, add photos and files from your computer or laptop. Okay. You can select here the style also, image style. Okay. Select it, then enter the prompt, and you will get the same style image. Okay, you can dictate here and you can use the voice mode also. Okay, and the next here, the Sora, just simply click on the Sora ChatGPT. It will open in the new tab sora.chatgpt.com. Here you can generate an image, videos easily. Just enter the prompt here and you can generate it. Here you can see there are some options available in explore the all image and videos. Images here and you can check already generated image showing here. Videos you can see already generated. Okay, videos are showing. You can see and the top videos you can check here. And in library, you can see my media. Okay. Those video and image you generated, you will check here. So I generated here some image. You can see the cat image, dog image, and thank you cards. Okay. You can check here your generated image. Just simply enter the prompt. I'll show you the one. Okay. Give me a red flower image. Okay. I just enter here simply. Wait for the few seconds to generate the image. You can see image is generated, the red flowers. Okay. You can easily enter here the prompt in detail and you can create as you want. Okay. So again, I go to the chat GPT and here you can see the last option is GPTs. You can see here the all AI tools which are related to writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle, and etc. Okay, you can use these different AI tools for different work, and you will get the different best result of this AI from this AI tool. Okay. Now I show you different type of setting of ChatGPT. Just click on your profile name and click on the settings option and you can see the settings dialog box is open. The first is general. In general, you can setting the related to the theme. Just click on this arrow and select here the dark or light themes. Okay. You can change here the language also. You can change the spoken language, voice also. There are different voice also available. Okay, you can change as you want. Okay. The second is notification related settings. You can settings here the related to push if you want to push and if you don't want to push just off this option. Okay. In personalization also have a different setting, custom instructions and the reference save memories you can off if you don't want. Okay. Connected apps, there are three types of app here connected: Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, so you can setting here to connect them. Okay, data controls, you can controls your data in different way. You can check here the all share link in this share links options. Okay, and archive chart, you can check here the all archive chart. If you want to unarchive, just click on this option. If you want to delete, just click on the delete conversations. Okay, And archive all chart, if you want to archive all chart, you can just click on this option. And delete all charts, so you can just click on the delete all. Okay. To export data, just click on the export option. You can export your all ChatGPT data. And security settings, you can see the logout of this device. You just click on the logout, and logout of all devices, you just select here logout of all. And the last setting is the accounts related. If you want to delete the account, just you click delete option to delete account. And that's it. So now I enter here the one prompt. Okay. So create a 7-day weight loss diet plan for an Indian vegetarian. Just click on it, and here you can see the all details of weight loss diet plan. Okay, for 7 days. Okay. You can check here the all details. And if you want to copy this all details, just click on the copy option. If you want to give the response, just click on the good response or bad response. Read loud. If you want to read loud, just click on the option, and here you can see.
Here is a 7-day Indian vegetarian weight loss diet plan focusing on healthy.
If you want to stop, just click on the stop. Edit in Canva, you can use this option, and if you want to share, just click on it. And switch models, you can switch to different model of ChatGPT also. Okay. And if you want to share, here you can see the right hand side also have an option to share this data. And click on the three dot. If you archive these charts, you can easily archive it. If you want to delete, just delete it. Okay, easy. Okay. So this is a way you can enter the prompt and generate your all details from the ChatGPT. Okay. So this is a free version of ChatGPT. If you want to upgrade, just again click on the profile name and click on the upgrade plan. And here you can see the upgrade your plan have some options. The plus and pro for personal in business have a different plan. You can upgrade accordingly. Okay. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.